Blooming Umorin also has a thriving YouTube channel and a growing Facebook and social media presence. Welcome, my friend. So right now we can see what's really going on in the market. These today you probably have seen that Coach Blooming. The past 3 years we were able to compound our portfolio by 28% versus an average of 11% for the S&P 500 over the same period. So that means that's amazing, right? And we are
Yes.
basically, yes. So if you can, I can repeat that, if I can have 5, 10 years of getting those kind of returns, my goal
Mhm.
is.
It's important for you to reassess your investment thesis. I remember when the DeepSeek situation happened and a lot of people started selling and they were
Mhm.
panicking. And I'm like, did you read this thing to really understand that? As that news is, in the grand scheme of things, even though, yes, we're having some major dips both in both markets, but as a long-term investor, we stay invested. We take advantage of these major dips if you have the cash, and don't forget, this is no investment or financial advice. We're just sharing with you what we're doing or what we believe personally about the market. But yeah, we're going to be handsomely rewarded.
And
And
what